Delta jumped from a coin flip 50 to 85 on a single $2 tick. Same option, same 520 strike, same stock. The only thing that changed was the calendar. That same exact option behaves like a calm coin flip one week and a screaming all or nothing lottery ticket the next. And that whole flip is one Greek doing its job, the one most beginners completely underestimate. It's called gamma. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Chalk Talks with Coach B. If you're new to options, go watch my 5 Greeks video first. It's linked in the description. All right, quick level set. Then we go deep on the thing that trips people up. You already know Delta tells you how many dollars your option moves per $1 move in the stock. Gamma is the next layer up. Gamma tells you how fast that delta itself is changing. Delta is your speed. Gamma is your acceleration. Today is not a Delta refresher. It's about why gamma turns vicious right at expiration. Let me anchor this in something real. This is AMD. As I'm recording, it's sitting right around $520 a share, and there's a real call option on the chain, the 520 strike, about 30 days out. Right at the money. Watch what gamma does to that exact strike as the clock runs down. Here's the core idea, and the chart is doing the talking. This curve is gamma plotted against the stock price. With 30 days left, look how wide and flat that hump is. Gamma is spread out. Your delta changes slowly and smoothly as the stock drifts around. A $1 move barely nudges your delta. The option feels stable, honestly kind of boring. That's the coin flip phase where a 50-50 option just gently leans one way or the other. Now watch what happens as expiration comes in. 7 days out, that hump gets taller and tighter. And on expiration day, it's not a hump anymore. It's a spike, a skyscraper of gamma sitting right on top of the strike. That spike is the whole story. Right at the money in the final day, your delta is hypersensitive. The tiniest move in the stock whips your delta around. That's gamma exploding into expiration. And that's the all or nothing feel everybody complains about. So why does the math do this? Think about what an option is worth the second before it expires. It's brutally simple. If it's even a penny in the money, it's worth real intrinsic value and acts exactly like stock delta of 1. If it's a penny out of the money, it's worthless, delta of 0. No in between left, no time value to smooth it out. So delta can't sit politely at 50 anymore. It has to slam from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 on a knife's edge right at the strike. Gamma is just the measure of how violently delta makes that jump. Let me put fake but realistic numbers on it. And to be clear, these are illustrative numbers to show the mechanics, not quotes off the chain. Picture that 520 call on expiration morning, stock right at 520, delta around 50. Now the stock ticks up just $2 to 522 on a far out option. Delta might creep from 50 to maybe 55. No big deal, but on expiration day with gamma spiked, that same $2 move can rocket your delta from 50 up to 85. The option goes from a coin flip to almost certainly cashing in on a move barely bigger than the spread. And here's the trap, because gamma cuts both ways, hard. That same hair trigger that rockets you up will gut you on the way down. Say the stock then reverses and drops $3 back through your strike. Now delta collapses from 85 toward 20, and the value evaporates almost as fast as it appeared. One choppy hour, and a position that looked like a winner is a near total loss. That's not bad luck. That's gamma. Near expiration at the money, you are strapped to the most violent part of the curve. Let's look at the actual chain so you see where to find this. This is AMD's real call chain, 30 days out. Pull up the 520 strike. Right now, its delta is about 55, and its gamma reads about 0.0034. That gamma number looks tiny, and at 30 days it is. But that's the point. Gamma isn't a fixed property of the option. As that same strike rolls toward its final days with the stock parked near 520, that little gamma number swells into the spike we just drew. Same row on the chain, totally different animal in the last week. So the lesson here isn't that gamma is bad. It's that gamma is a clock-dependent risk, and you have to respect which end of the clock you're standing on. Far from expiration, gamma is mild. Your delta drifts. You've got room to be wrong and recover. That's where I like to live, about 45 days out. Close to expiration, right at the money. Gamma is a live wire. The moves are huge, and they reverse on you just as fast. And it matters whether you're a buyer or a seller. If you're buying those near expiry at the money options, Gamma is the thing that gives them that lottery ticket feel. You can double or zero out in an hour. If you're selling them, collecting that juicy premium, just know that spike is now your problem. A small move against your short strike in the final hours can blow up far bigger than the premium you took in. So lock these three in. 1, gamma is the acceleration of your delta, how fast your direction bet is changing. 2, gamma is highest at the money, and it explodes as expiration approaches because delta has to snap from 0 to 1 with no time value left to cushion it. 3, that explosion is the coin flip to all or nothing feel. Great when you're right, brutal when the move reverses. Know which end of the clock you're trading, and gamma stops being a mystery. Quick reminder, this is education, not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. Do your own research. That's it for today. If this finally made gamma near expiration click, hit subscribe so the next Chalk Talk finds you, and drop a comment with what to break down next. Good luck in the markets, no matter what stock you're into.